Our next vowel sound is O. O. You are looking this diacritical mark or alif. This mark is called pesh. Pesh. When there is pesh over alif, it is pronounced as U. 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 This is the phonetic symbol of U. It is like double O in English word book. Book. When alif is placed over any letter, the sound of U is attached to it. Let's take some words. Here, repeshru and kaf ruk, nun alif na, rukna. Repeshru and kaf ruk, nun alif na, rukna. Re, kaf, nun alif, rukna. Rukna. Rukna means to stop. Rukna, to stop. Next word, mim pesh mu, seen zabar lam sal, seen zabar lam sal. Mim pesh mu, seen lam zabar sal, seen lam, mim pesh mu, seen zabar lam sal, seen zabar lam sal. Musal sal. Mim, seen, lam, musalsal. Musalsal means continuously. Continuously. Next word, dal pesh du, re pesh ru, seen. Seen, te, durust. Because there is no vowel sign attached to, seen and te. So therefore, there is jazm over seen and there is jazm over te. Dal pesh du, re pesh ru, and seen te, durust. Dal pesh du, re pesh ru, and seen te, st. Durust. Durust. Durust means correct. Durust means correct.